guys, good morning. As you can see, I got a little something here from the Clouser fly shop. My buddy Bob Clouser, or aka Santa Clouser. And it is his Gartside Gurgler Tying Kit. So we're gonna open it up, see what all's in it. Looks like there's some bucktail, some thread, hooks, bodies, chenille, a sample fly, so everything you need to tie a Gartside Gurgler. Now, this is a modified Gartside Gurgler. So let's open it up, check it out. Okay, so I opened the package up and you will get complete tying directions with illustrations. You get some chenille, some flash, some ostrich herl, pink, yellow, and chartreuse. A couple of pieces of bucktail, really nice straight bucktail. Some Danville thread. You get hooks and bodies that are pre-cut for size 2 and size 1/0. And then you get a sample fly to go by that has been tied by Bob and Jackie Clouser. So the first thing that's really nice is it's all really nice material. This isn't cheap, falling apart pieces of bucktail or really curly bucktail. Full ostrich herl, Eric's hooks, which are outstanding hooks, and all of the bodies have been cut perfectly. No ragged edges. So I got to give Bob and Jackie a real shout out for a really nice tying kit. So everything you need here to tie these gurglers, and we're going to put a couple together and see how they look. And looking at this kit, this is one of the things I love, the tying directions. This is the same way I do them when I do them for people. Nice clear photos, step by step, from attaching thread all the way through the procedure. So even if you're brand new to fly tying, you can see exactly how this fly is supposed to look. Phenomenal job. Then the very back of the tying directions are the ingredients list, everything you'll need, and everything that this kit comes with. And this kit is designed to tie 12 flies total, 6 in a size 2 and 6 in a size 1/0. So again, just a really nice number, a full dozen of flies, and you'll tie them in yellow, white, chartreuse white, and pink and white. And those are some wonderful colors for our fishing around here, both fresh and saltwater.